Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up conversion tracking with HubSpot for your app funnel, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the reports section in the main dashboard. Select Analytics Tools from the drop-down menu. Click on Sources in the left sidebar. To set up conversion tracking, you first need to create a new event. Locate and click the Create Event button. Give your event a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Define the type of event you want to track, such as clicks or form submissions. Set the specific conditions for your event using HubSpot's criteria options. Save the event settings once you're satisfied with the configuration. Next, proceed to your app platform where you will implement the tracking code. Access the relevant section of your app's backend. Insert the HubSpot tracking code into your app's source files. Make sure to place the tracking code before the closing /head tag. Test the implementation by triggering the event in your app. Return to HubSpot to verify that the event is recorded correctly. Go back to the Analytics Tools section. Select Events to view your tracked events. Monitor the performance of your conversion tracking regularly. Make necessary adjustments if you notice discrepancies or if goals change. Evaluate the data collected to optimize your app funnel. Use these insights to refine your marketing strategy and improve conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.